Struggling to manage your money. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the simplest budgeting methods. Here's exactly how it works. Using real UK numbers. This video breaks down the 50-30-20 rule in under 3 minutes. No jargon, no fluff. Just a simple system you can start using today. The 50-30-20 rule splits your take-home pay into 3 parts. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment. It gives you structure without feeling restrictive. 50% needs. These are essentials you can't avoid. Rent or mortgage, utilities, council tax, food, transport, minimum debt payments. If it keeps you alive or legally compliant, it's a need. 30 wants. These make life enjoyable, eating out, subscriptions, holidays, new clothes, upgrades, and treats. If you could live without it, it's a want. 20 savings, debt. This is the wealth building category. Emergency fund, investing, ISA contributions, extra debt payments. This is the part that moves you forward financially. Real UK example. Let's say you take home £2,000 a month. Needs, 1,000. Wants, 600. Savings or debt, 400. Your numbers don't have to be perfect. The rule gives you a target to aim for when the rule doesn't fit. In high-cost areas like London, your needs might be more than 50%. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection. It's awareness and control. Final message. The 50-30-20 rule is simple, flexible, beginner-friendly. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. And check out my other videos on saving, investing, and building wealth in the UK.